Yes, we will continue our lesson number 18, that is a $10 note. So, we have already read about that the journey of $10 note till he reached the hands of old Jack and old Winnie, where a $20 note was there who told $10 note that old Jack is going to spend a lot of money that night because actually he wanted to donate it to a charity trust in charity, but the people refused to accept that charity organization refused to accept his money. They said that it is dirty, so he has decided to spend it in public in others to give happiness to others. That night, as the news got around, people began to follow them. They started following them, and as they want to know more about it, but everyone still wanted it. But the people wanted that money. He treated everyone. He gave the people whatever they want to eat and whatever the gifts they wanted. So he gave the gifts to the people, poor people, and even the eatables to the poor people. And all the people came around him to get the things which he was donating. As they were very happy, though they knew that his money was dirty, but they were happy in getting those money. So they gathered around him and got all that. Everyone had fun his money that night. So everyone, those who got that gifts and eatables, they were very happy that night and they were getting too much fun that night. Finally, they came to an expensive restaurant, that is money, and which was in old Jack's pocket. And old Jack came and sat in a restaurant. Just then a woman came in quietly and came up to old Jack's table. She was poor. Her frightened eyes looked big in her pale face. She just stood there, still and silent. A woman came to that old man, and that woman was looking very frightened, and her face was pale because she was looking very weak and very poor. She stood there in front of old Jack and was still silent. She doesn't say a word. Old Jack felt pity for her. He took me in his hand. Then he gave to the old woman with a smile. Madam, he said, they say that my money is dirty, but if you are willing to accept it, this bill is yours. So when that woman was standing in front of that old Jack, he took out from the pocket that particular $10 note and said that, gave it in her hand and said that the people say, that organization people said that my money is dirty, but if you wish to take it, it is yours. I'm giving it to you. She took me with a shaking hand. There were tears in her eyes. Sir, she said, I counted thousands of bills like this when they were fresh and new. You see, I was a clerk in a bank that made them. I was fired by a dishonest manager because I would not do everything he wanted. Now I have no job and no money. You say that this bill is dirty money. It was dirty before it reached you, but not any longer. Thank you with all my heart, sir. She took that money, took that $10 note in her hand, and said that, told that old Jack that I have counted thousands of this type of notes because I was working in a bank that made them, at a place where these notes were made, and I have counted them. But a dishonest manager that cheated me, he was doing some wrong activity and he wanted me to favor him. But when I refused to favor him, then he put the blame on me and I was fired from there. Now I had no money and no job. Then that lady says to old Jack, you say that this money is dirty, but this is not dirty because you are spending it in welfare of others, for providing happiness to others, for giving happiness to others. That's why it is not dirty. It was dirty before it reached you. Before it came in your hands, it might be dirty, but it is not dirty at this time. She took me to a baker's shop. She left me there and went away with a bag full of bread and cakes and two $1 bills. So, as she was very hungry, and might be her children were hungry, so she reached to a baker's shop. She purchased some bread and some cakes from there and gave that $10 note to him. That bakery shop, and bakery shop in return, that bakery man gave him two $1 notes. So can you see that from the $10 she has purchased the food for her family and also got back $2, which were very precious for her. I did not see the woman after that. However, soon one day I met one of the $1 bills that she had taken away. Hello, I said, didn't I see you at the baker's last Saturday? But from that day, as she has gave that money to baker, so the $10 note says that I haven't seen that woman. But once I met $1 note, which was given in return back to that woman from baker. बेकर ने जो $1 नोट उसको दिए थे उनमें से एक वापस $10 वाले को मिला कहीं पर किसी और के पास में. Then he asked him, aren't you that $1 note? Haven't we met at last Saturday? क्या हम last Saturday मिले थे? तुम वही $1 नोट हो ना? Yes, said the $1 bill. The woman spent the other $1 who came along with me on milk and vegetables for her little boy, a pale thin child. So that $1 told him, yes, another note was spent by the woman to purchase vegetables and milk for her little child, young child. And that child was also very thin and pale. बहुत दुबला पतला सा उसका बच्चा था. उसके लिए उसने अपने घर के लिए वेजिटेबल्स खरीदी और उस बच्चे के लिए मिल्क खरीदा उस $1 नोट से जो कि उसे मिला था बेकरी से वापस मिला था. ओह, हाउ दैट लिटिल बॉय एन्जॉयड द फूड. शी सेव्ड मी टू पे द रेंट फॉर द टाइनी रूम शी हैड. You are lucky, 10. I meet only the poor. Dirty bills like you meet more interesting people. Then he said that कि you are very lucky. उससे बोलता है कि वो $1 नोट तो उसने ई वेजिटेबल्स और उसके लिए, और जब वो घर लेकर गई उसने, her child saw those things. He was very happy. He enjoyed the food when she took the food to her child. And from this $1 note, which was talking to $10 note, she had paid the rent of the room. जो उसका छोटा सा घर था, झोपड़ा था, उसका रेंट में उसने $1 नोट पे किया. Then that $1 note said to $10 note. $10 नोट की तो अपनी ही वैल्यू कम समझता था, लेकिन उसने बताया, यू आर वेरी लकी कि तुम्हारे जैसे लोग इंटरेस्टिंग पीपल से मिलते हैं. यू कैन मीट more interesting people. Dirty bills like you. Dirty bill here, again word used. That means that reached from one hand to another, and some people who are engaged in dirty work, who are engaged in wrong works, that you are passing through those hands also. Then he said that dirty bills like you meet more interesting people. But we people, that is $1 note says that we pass through only the hands of poor people. हम तो गरीब लोगों के ही हाथ में इधर से उधर जाते हैं. There is no such thing as dirty money. I say, the important thing is not where the bill comes from. The important thing is how it is spent. Then $10 note says, there is nothing like dirty money. Dirty money जैसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. Important thing ये है that from where the bill comes from. वो पैसा कहाँ से आया है और कहाँ आपने खर्च किया, ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है. वो किसके हाथ से आया, पहले क्या था, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो ऐसा डर्टी मनी जैसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. दिस टॉक ऑफ डर्टी मनी मेक्स मी फील वेरी बैड. देन ही सेज दैट दिस टॉक ऑफ डर्टी मनी, ये जो डर्टी मनी कहा जाता है ये मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है. क्योंकि ओल्ड जैक के पैसे को रिफ्यूज़ किया गया था डर्टी मनी कह के, पर वही मनी उसने जब लोगों के वेलफेयर के लिए खर्च किया, लोगों को हैप्पीनेस देने के लिए, they gave the blessings and they said, that old woman also said that this money was dirty before coming to you, लेकिन आपके पास आकर आपने उसे सही जगह पर स्पेंड किया, इसलिए ये डर्टी नहीं रहा है. So this is the way how the journey was commenced by $10 note. Okay, goodbye, take care. We'll meet in our next